this is the personalized email campaign generator. And so this flow is pretty simple. And all it requires is for you to enter some customer data and enter a template on what the email that you're sending out to all these users is going to sound like. And you can do this for one email. I think this system works best for if you're using a lot of emails that you're wanting to copy paste over and over again. If you want to send an individual email, there's one other template called the cold email writer, and that one's pretty good for a specific person. This one is per customer and what their emails are. And so what it's going to do is take these two things and it's going to create a personalized email for this customer based on the template. So it's going to give them a short intro message that's different for each person. And then it's going to, this is the template here. And so what you can be able to do is give it that template, and then it's going to separate the customer's email here. And so then it's going to separate this and create a title based on the email. And it's going to feed that all into the API output, create the personalized email, the email address, and subject. So when you run this flow, it's going to automatically send the email to that person, right? And so if you're unsure exactly if you want to do it, you can run the prompt just on its own and be able to read through it, see if you like it. You can be able to make changes in the instructions right here. I've done several changes here. You can, same thing, you can be able to take it out, copy and paste it, look at it, edit it, and you can be able to just make it personalized for that person so that they can be able to feel appreciated as a customer. And so something super simple, you can run this a ton of times with a bunch of different customers. This one is a fake example right here, just so you can be able to see how it works, but it can be able to be used for lots of different people. So try it out, see if it works for you. And if you want to make tweaks to it, you totally can. You can duplicate it for lots of different reasons. So go try it out yourself. Thanks and bye.